Mike Hughes here. I'm at Scuba and H2O Adventure, and I'm here with Celine. You want to tell us a little bit about, well, everything?
We are. Hi, my name is Celine, and I'm the publisher of the Scuba and H2O Adventures magazine, and we're happy to serve you. We are all about the community for scuba diving, environmental, history, what is important to you. What matters to you is what matters to us, and that's what we write about. We want you to come over and visit us. We want you to email us. We want you to find us on Facebook, Scuba H2O Mag, and we want you to tell us what is important to you. We want you to share your stories, your adventures, and we'll publish those stories. Send us your photos, and if you do, you can enter for a chance to win a free subscription, a t-shirt, and if you're a business, we've got something in mind for you too. Thanks.
Cool. And if they want more information, they would go to?
You can meet Scuba H2O Adventures, ScubaH2OMag.com, DiveNewsNetwork.com. We're really easy to find.
Okay, and should we mention the other books in this one?
Yep, we can.
Okay.
We've also in the publishing, so we're a digital magazine, and our digital publication comes out once a month, and we have about 72 to 86 pages a month. And the other thing that we do is we also are a physical print. We publish Northeast Dive News Dive Guide, Midwest Dive News Dive Guide, and we're shortly going to be coming out with a Southeast and a Northwest Dive Guide. So we're slowly getting there. Southwest will probably be the last stop on our tour of dive guides. It's very comprehensive, and it's not about us diving, it's actually about the readers who submitted their stories about where they went, what they thought was the coolest places to go. That's about it.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks.